Now let's start by running the backend. First, we'll start with the normal start, and then we'll move to the Docker. So we have everything over here: the connection string and the service account details as well. And just make sure that the private IP address is correct. And if the private IP address of your system changes, you must update the server URL as well. So this is the updated private IP address of my system. Clear the screen. And the next step is going to be installing all the dependencies. So you can type npm install, or for short you can say npm space I. This will install all the packages of your Node.js app. Open up your VS Code, and in the terminal you can type npm I, and this command will install all the dependencies. You can see that the dependencies have been installed successfully. Now go to the package.json and check out the start command. Now type npm run start, and this will start your server. You can see that the server ready at particular address, and then the subscription server is also ready at a particular address. If we click on it, you can see that we have the GraphQL playground in the browser. These two URLs are only required when you deploy your front-end applications. Once you deploy them, you have to update the URLs in the env of your backend.